Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here some topic related to mathematics, that is symmetry. Okay, before starting the lesson symmetry, some recall is given there, just see what is it. Which among the following figures have line of symmetry? Also draw them. Okay, so in which figure you can see the line of symmetry? Yes, line of symmetry means you just have to divide the figure into the two equal parts. Okay, now here you can see, yes, in a glass, yes, you can do it. Then about the book, no. About the ball, yes. About the pencil, yes. Then the mirror, mango you can't. What about the log? Yes. Eraser you can do it. What about the flower? And door it can't. Okay, now see what is the introduction is given there. A word symmetry comes from a Greek word meaning to measure together. In maths, the use of word symmetry is for an object that has an imaginary line through it, which causes both sides to be identical. Some objects have multiple lines, for example a square of a rectangle, a square or a rectangle. Some objects have none, for example a scalene triangle. There is a case where there are infinite lines. Can you guess the figure which has multiple line of symmetry? Yes, it is the circle. In circle there are so infinite numbers of symmetry. Symmetry everywhere. We are surrounded by symmetrical objects. Symmetry can be seen in art, music, buildings, and also in the nature. Some symmetrical objects are given here. Just see here. What about the butterfly? What about the flower? And what about this jellyfish? Yes, symmetry in nature. But what about the symmetry in architecture? Yes, you can see the symmetry in architecture. It is of the same type. So what about the line of symmetry? If a given line divides a given figure or a shape into identical halves, we say that the figure or the shape is symmetrical about that line. The line about which a figure is symmetrical is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Okay, a given figure may have a vertical axis of symmetry or horizontal axis of symmetry. Some figures may have both axes of symmetry. Some figures like circles, polygons may have several lines of symmetry. Let us look at some symmetrical figures. Just vertical line of symmetry. Look at the figure of the quadrilateral shown alongside. You just see here. What is this? Yes, it is the quadrilateral, means it is having the 1, 2, 3, 4 side by. Okay, so vertical line of symmetry means it is divided vertically in the two equal parts. It is only one line of symmetry which is vertically. Okay, now horizontal symmetry, just see here, it is look like a pencil. Okay, it is also only one line of symmetry is a horizontal, so it is symmetrical by horizontal way. Now two lines of symmetry. Look at the following rhombus. Just see here the rhombus. So in two way it can be divided as in a symmetrical manner, that is in a vertical and in a horizontal also. The above figure is a rhombus with two lines of symmetry, while one of the axis is vertical and the other one is horizontal. Now what about the multiple lines of symmetry? As I told you, in the circle the line of symmetry are multiples, means infinite you can draw the line of symmetry. The circle shows multiple lines of symmetry. Though only 4 lines have been shown, every diameter has that can be drawn on a circle is a line of symmetry. We can also say that a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Okay, now shapes with no line of symmetry. Such shapes are there which are not having the line of symmetry. There are some irregular geometrical shapes that have no line of symmetry. They are known as asymmetric figures. Then operation and recognition of reflection symmetry. A line symmetry is also called as the reflection symmetry, because what is the meaning of reflection? Means it looks the same as the original. So it is also called as the reflection symmetry. Reflections are found everywhere. You can observe reflection is mirror, glass, water, etc. Reflected images have the same size as the original image. Similarly, when two parts of the shapes or object are identical, each part is the reflection of the other. Each part is said to be mirror image of the other. Such an object or shape is said to be symmetrical. Okay? Now, just see lines of symmetry in letters of the English alphabet. Okay, now some letters are there, that also you have to give the sign of symmetry. Just see here, letters having one line of symmetry are just A. If you are given the one line of symmetry, that is vertical, it will be divided into two equal parts. What about the it is horizontal? C is again horizontal, D is again horizontal, E horizontal, K horizontal, M is vertical, T is again vertical, U vertical, V vertical, W vertical, and Y is again having the vertical line of symmetry. Okay, now both some letters are there which are having the vertical and horizontal both lines of symmetry. Just see only H, I and X, these letters are having the vertical and horizontal, means both lines of symmetry. Now the letter having no line of symmetry, which are these? That is F, G, H, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. These are having no line of symmetry because these are the of irregular shape. Now see, letters having infinite lines of symmetry. O has infinite lines of symmetry. Infinite number of lines of symmetry pass through the center O. Okay. Now symmetry in geometrical figures. See, this is the isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, this side and this side is same. Therefore, you can make it as line of symmetry on a vertically. Okay. Now parallelogram has no line of symmetry because its four sides are equal, but the angles are different. That's why it has no line of symmetry. What about the rhombus? Rhombus has two lines of symmetry, one vertical and one horizontal. What about the square? In the square, one vertical, one horizontal, and two diagonal lines of symmetry. And what about the circle? Circle has innumerable lines of symmetry. Each line of symmetry passing through the circle. Center is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Now see, some exercise is given there. Exercise 11.1. Draw any two figures with a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, you just have to draw vertical lines of symmetry. You can draw figures, means you can draw triangle, okay, or square or circle, anything you can draw. Sorry, you can draw the triangle, you just have to draw the circle and the square. Any figure horizontal line of symmetry. Sorry, here you can draw the triangle. In the horizontal line of symmetry, you just have to draw the rhombus, yes. And you can draw the horizontal, means you just have to draw the H, capital letter H, yes. Then draw any two figures with both horizontal or vertical lines of symmetry. Which of these? Yes, here you can see which are having the vertical, and you can write any alphabetically here. Draw any two figures with multiple lines of symmetry. Which are having the multiple lines of symmetry? That is circle and square. Okay, now find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following figures and draw them. So here, this is the symmetry and this is again the symmetry. Then what about the X? It is on that side and this is on that side. E, this one, only this is the one. Okay. Now what about this? So it is the only line of symmetry is that much. Okay, now which of the given figure do not have any line of symmetry? Okay, now you can see now this is not line of symmetry. Okay, now this is, then D, it is having, this is not, yes, this is having so many lines of symmetry. Then what about this? This is again not, this is again not, yes, this is having, okay, and this is again not. Then this is again not, and you can write an here. Complete the following figure to make the symmetry. Okay, now in this side you have to draw this one. Okay, now this one you have to draw this like, Then here you also draw by your own. Draw the following shapes and show all possible lines of symmetry. Square, you just have to draw the square. Okay, here you just have to draw the square. Square means all the four sides are equal. Okay, now in this way you have to draw the square, and possible lines of symmetry are this much and again. Okay, now what about the kite? You know, in the kite, so this and this side is equal, so it is also again. Okay, now in this way you have to do the remaining one. Just prefer page number 229. So you just have to prefer page number 229 is there here, and you can find out the symmetry. Okay, now so to the students, with the end of this example number 8, exercise 11.11, we will complete our chapter number 11, that is symmetry. I hope all the topics in this you are understood very well. So thank you so much students for attending the class. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.